I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to proofread any document. First, go to the direct website for ChatGPT, then log into your account. Now that you've logged into ChatGPT, type in suggestions for improvement, then type in your document or copy and paste. Now that you have suggestions, let's proofread the document. Type in proofread for clarity. Let's take the same document and try proofreading for punctuation. Now you are finished for proofreading for punctuation. Using the responses from these 3 different prompts, you will then be able to edit your document in word processor. This concludes proofreading with ChatGPT.